Hello, my name is Alicia Montañez. I am today about playing in trip. I travel on vacation in January or August, and I mostly travel before holidays because otherwise the trip is more expensive. I travel to Whereas to visit some of my family and stay at my parents' house. When I am there, I eat local food and do some saying because I like the place. What I bury is wear all summer closet depending in this station and tolerate what will we have. Thanks for listening.